Here's our plugs, guys. I think everyone was possibly right. We've got a plug here that was cut flush, and another right here, and then these are kind of smeared off. I guess we can kind of, they didn't really pull out. I guess you could, well, they almost pull out. Ooh, that one is pulling out. Let's try another burnout, see if it'll pull out of there. Plugs are still looking pretty decent. So, I mean, overall, I'd say it was pretty much a success, whether you light them on fire or... What I'm gonna do is yank one of these plugs out right now. Pull one of these out. It didn't actually yank out, but let's get the reamer. Pulled right out. So they will fly out. Oh, whoa, way too far. Well, that's gone. And that's our last plug, guys, so I actually might really have a flat now. All right, well, thanks for watching. It's been fun.